In this section, we will be covering Aurora's consumption portal. Our goal is to make the consumption portal functional as well as beautiful. If you use it correctly, we expect that it will be as much of a sales as it is a financial analysis tool. The consumption portal is packed with algorithms and models that make the results as accurate as it is pleasant to use. And here's how to use it. First, choose how you will input your customer's energy consumption data. You can choose between typing it in, or you can upload green button data. Next, confirm that you have the correct utility company and utility rate. Aurora will suggest a utility company and utility rate based on your project's location. If you need to change it, go ahead and click on the drop-down menu. And if you don't see any utility rates appear, please go ahead and star the appropriate utility rates in your database. Please review the video called Establishing Your Database if you don't know how to do this. Finally, select a location that has weather most similar to the one for which you are designing your project. This is a really important step because Aurora uses this information to generate a load profile, which is how we convert monthly energy values into hourly energy values. We're now ready to input our customer's data. First, input the energy values from your customer's bill. For example, in June, the customer may have used 450 kilowatt hours. In January, 645. And in October, let's go with 500 kilowatt hours. So you can see that as you enter in these values, Aurora's algorithms automatically convert them and try and interpolate what the rest of the month's bill would be. The more information you put in, the more accurate it is. If you don't have energy values, but instead you have the bills, you can go ahead and input different months. So for example, November, the customer may have spent $190. February, $240. And maybe May, $260. Aurora's algorithms work in the same way. Once you've done this, you can further adjust the load profile at the bottom of your screen. For example, you can add an electric vehicle and configure it to choose the correct type. You'll notice that the numbers up top change, but also in addition to that, this is actually breaking down the monthly energy consumption into an hourly load profile. Other options are to change things such as the lighting type, select whether the customer uses gas, a heat pump, or electricity for their energy. And of course, you can pull up a pie chart at the bottom that shows how much of their energy bill is going to each of these loads. If you want, click on the links to see how this changes from season to season. Great. At this point, you are ready to proceed to the next section.